Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was given this amazing resin outdoor storage shed. It's about 5.5 feet tall by about 4.5 feet wide. It is waterproof. It has a lockable door. You can get one with shelving brackets, and I love that it has a floor. This looks gorgeous in my backyard. It does not take away from the surroundings at all. It has this beautiful wood grain to the resin, and it is huge. I can store all of my furniture in here, and I do have a lot of trees. And what I love is that this is waterproof. So if the birds poop on it, I just get the hose out and I hose it off, and it's amazing, and nothing gets wet inside because it is waterproof. So it's perfect for all of the weather that's going to come its way. The floor is weighted, which is really, really nice. And so you have enhanced stability. And also it prevents moisture from seeping in through the ground. The resin on this is amazing. Like I said, it has wood grain, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And it is resistant to high temperatures, corrosion, and can withstand a lot of different types of outdoor weather. This wood grain really makes it look special. It does not peel off. It is part of the resin itself. It's sort of stamped in. And I love that you have the giant opening of both doors so you can fit everything in here. You can see this is just even gorgeous from the back, and it has such a slim profile that it does not take up a whole lot of space. You can see the water resistance here. You can see that stamped in wood grain look, the really nice metal hinges, and that amazing metal lock. This thing is huge. It is amazing. You can store everything in here that you can possibly think of. This does take about 3 to 5 hours for 2 people to assemble, and we are loving this so much. Check it out.